This is one bad boy right here. Okay, this is the grounding box of all grounding boxes. All right, you just got to open up that door and look inside. Whoa! And you see some amazing stuff. So you're going to see a bus bar, which is a tin bus bar. It has better weather protection because it's tinned and it's not just straight copper. You're also going to see a lightning arrestor down here on the inside. That lightning arrestor is cool because this box is an 18 by 18 by 6, and you can order it with 1, 2, or 3 lightning arrestors depending on how many frequencies you're using in your system. It's made out of galvanized steel, and the reason why that's a good thing, it's nice and strong and sturdy. However, you can still do punch outs relatively easily. So that's a big deal. It's also big enough so when you run your cables inside the box, you don't have to do huge, or really, should I say, really tight bends. You can do larger swooping bends so you're not kinking your cable. Now, one last thing, don't forget about it, is that on the back side of this box, it also has welded bolts. So you look at these welded bolts on the back side. This is unique. You can drop it right into your unistrut. So guys love this box. It's a simple design. It's bright red. It tells everyone that this is a first responder box and that you aren't supposed to touch it unless you're authorized. Hence the front part of the box that says emergency responder radio communications equipment, authorized personnel only. That's also a big deal to kind of say, don't touch unless you're authorized. Great box.